Good morning. It's around 3:30. I woke up at 3. Today our plan is to go to see another waterfall. Surprise, surprise, motherfucker. The place is called Liban. I don't know where it is. I'm leaving so early. I need to drive to Tero's place, and from Tero's place we are leaving around 4:30. No, yeah, 4:30. And reason why we're leaving so early is because we're trying to catch the sunrise. It's a place where you can watch the sunrise above the clouds. So we're gonna go there early and try to catch the sunrise. So yeah, let's go. I have no idea how it's gonna be, what it's like, where is it, but oh fucking. But from Tero's place it's gonna be like a 2-hour drive there, so hopefully we get there on time. So I'm gonna take my bike and start driving to Tero's place. So let's go. Okie dokie, it's 4:25 and Rob is not here. I just arrived here to Tero's place. I think he's still sleeping. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm gonna knock on the door. We need to wait Rob to arrive. He was supposed to be here already 4:20, but he's not here, so we need to wait. And I just realized that if we are leaving 4:30 and the driving time is 2 hours, so that means we're gonna arrive there around 6:30 and the sun is already up. So no matter what we do, we're not gonna catch the sunrise, I guess. I might be wrong, but in my opinion the sun is already up 6 o'clock or even earlier. I don't know. Well, anyway, let's wait Rob and let's go. So this is what we came to see. I don't know if you can see it. It is not the place where we're supposed to go, because this dude here was late 30 minutes. So we didn't have time to get there on time, so we're just driving around and doing a little bit exploring. Oh yeah. This kind of, I don't know what is, I don't know what is this place. It's like a cottage here. Balcony apparently where you can wake up at this view. I don't know, I'm not gonna go there because this looks kind of, yeah, not gonna go there. But so no idea what we're gonna do next, or where we're gonna go. But it's only like 7:30 in the morning, so I guess we're gonna do something, but I don't know what. Let's enjoy the view for a while. Oh, this is just a place where we came from that way. We stopped for a coffee. We went that way. There's nothing there, so oh, we stop here. Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Going to the waterfall.
Yes, let's go swim.
Okay, now we stop for breakfast. This is, I don't know the restaurant name, but it's some kind of a resort, restaurant. Over here.
Quarter bounder. Mushroom. No empty.
The fuck?
Wines. How about if you take?
So the restaurant name is Galmara with a Q. Yeah, very nice view. Look at that. That looks amazing. Yeah. We're just gonna eat, then we are going to Waterfall again. Yeah, I forgot that was our original plan for today. And yeah, we were supposed to first we were supposed to go to see the view sunrise, but we missed the sunrise. So, and after that, the waterfall, which where we're going after we eat.
Diba, diba, diba.
That's right. Breakfast arrived.
No, mango cheesecake.
Thank you.
Food was very, very good. And now,
Are you gonna put that on YouTube? Would you like to check their villa?
huh?
Would you like to check their villa?
Oh, for what?
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
I don't know.
Because Ate can show.
You can give your account.
So, next place is the waterfall. I don't remember the name anymore, but yeah, that's where we're going. It's getting hot, even though it's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Oh. It has a nice view also. I think you can spend the night there, I guess, because they were talking about some villa. I don't know. So let's jump on the bikes and move on. We went to check out two waterfalls. The other one we didn't find because I don't know. Even the locals didn't know where it is. But the Google Maps shows it, but we didn't get there because nobody know how to get there. So then we went to another waterfall, and it was closed because what you said, the pig farm.
Yeah.
Somebody made a pig farm on the fucking waterfall, so it was closed. So now we came to, what is this? This is some natural pools. It's like a very small waterfall, but yeah, let's check it out. Again, it's a place where you can come with your family, you can rent a hut or whatever, spend a day, eat, barbecue, shit.
Awat po tayo dun po. Dito lang po tayo magbabay.
So fucking slippery here. Whoa! Now we're gonna go buy something. I have no idea what we can buy, but so the table and the entrance fee was 200 pesos each. So yeah. So wet. Goes all the way down there. Natural water thing. I have no idea. That's it. Little bit swimming. I didn't swim. I don't know how to swim. Rob, Tero, Camille, they swim. I didn't. I don't like to swim these kind of places. I don't know why, but that's the way it is. Now, heading back home, getting some nap later. I don't know, maybe going to the cinema or just video games. No idea, but yeah, let's drive back home.